Hey guys, so this is just a quick like refresher hair tutorial. So yeah, I'm just gonna wet my hair to bring back the moisture to my curls. This is second day hair, so it's pretty rough at this point right now. It's gonna take a lot of water to bring these curls back to life. So yeah, usually it's good for curly hair people to start with moisture back in your hair to revive the curls, and also so when you put your leave-in conditioner in, it'll seal in that moisture. So I'm going to start with Cantu's leave-in conditioner. This is the argan oil one because my hair is extra dry. It's probably because I've been bleaching it and stuff, but it still feels soft, so it's all good. Then I'm going to put in argan oil of Morocco. I usually do the LSC method. It's better for my porosity level and the curl texture that I have. I've noticed this works the best. And lastly, the cream I'm going to use is the SheaMoisture Curl and Style Milk. And I'm twisting my hair because it's been extra poofy lately, so I'm just trying to control the level of poof that's going to occur at the end of this. So yeah, just putting it in formation, and this is it really. So yeah, thanks for watching.